really bad for Bitcoin, guys. This is really bad. For weeks now, we'll be sitting at this level over here, this resistance, and we can see now right now the stochastic RSI, the blue line has crossed the orange line, which indicates there might be a reversal on the weekly time frame. So we haven't really had a proper breakout from this resistance. You can see there's not been a really breakout. If I used my line to see that there has not really been a proper breakout. You can see that price wanted to pop its head above this resistance, but got rejected. So we might see a pullback or a reversal, but before I flip my thesis to bearish, we have to close below this $78,000 level over here, maybe breaking this trend before I could say, oh, there might be a reversal, that the bull run is actually over. We might see something like this before I will flip bearish, saying the bull run is actually over. But if not, we are still bullish, guy, but there might be a short-term pullback on the weekly time frame before another move to the upside direction. As you can see, there might be something like this before another move to the upside. So nevertheless, we still keeping bullish, guys. We still keeping bullish. So let's quickly head over to the daily time frame. Let's see what price is doing. So the daily time frame, now I told you guys that when I did my last video that for we to see a reversal to the upside, we must as in see a rejection on this demand zone over here, and this zone acted as support. You can see that when we created this bull flag, we broke the bull flag impulsively, then went down to retest, and this is a double bottom confirmation on the daily time frame. As you can see that this was a first rejection on this level, then a second rejection tapping on this trend line. But the news that came out yesterday, the FOMC news, did not really impact the price in any positive way or negative way. It's just like price is just ranging. The news did not really have an impact on the market. So I thought maybe when the news came out yesterday, which was 2.5% on the federal fund rate, that we might see maybe a bearish sentiment. But no, we just kind of hover around this level. Although the yesterday candlestick closes green, which indicate maybe buyers are kind of stepping into the market, and you can see that the stochastic RSI on the daily is almost tapping at the bottom. Although today we could see price maybe easily sweep lower to this trend line before reversing, or you see that we could see a break below this level. I don't know, but let's just wait for today's price to clear out. Let's see what the market we have intact for us. So let's move over to the 1 hour time frame, guys. You can see that the 1 hour time frame is kind of ranging at the moment. As I say, the 1 hour time frame is ranging. You see that this was the high price created, was, yes, it was yesterday. Price created around the $104,000, and the low was around $103,000. You can see that we've not had a break above these highs. You can see that price is just creating this choppy movement, although we could see price go lower, maybe to retest this trend line at $102,000, or either go up and break above this resistance that we are having here. So we'll see something like that. But nevertheless, let's just see what price do on the short term heading to tomorrow. So before we can actually, is either we are flipping bullish or we are actually flipping bearish. So do make sure to like my video and also subscribe to the channel, so that you will get notified anytime I post any update like this. Peace out.